Sun Yingsha won 3 consecutive mixed doubles titles and defended her women's singles title.
2025 Doha World Table Tennis Championship. Chinese players Wang Chuqin and Sun Yingsha also aimed for a dream of winning 3 consecutive titles. Not focusing too much on results, but enjoying every point in the moment. A serve and attack by Team China. Wang Chuqin and Sun Yingsha win their 3rd straight title. Indeed, this match of ours, I think, can go down in history. Wang Manyu saved for championship points. Kept reminding herself to focus on the next point. Successfully converted the 5th championship point and defended the title. You also doubled up in events. What was the process like when registering for mixed doubles? A dream of winning 3 straight titles. We both knew it would be very difficult, but we still wanted to try. Playing mixed doubles is interesting. To improve through competing. Also cherishing the opportunity at the Worlds. As Olympic mixed doubles champions, Sun Yingsha and Wang Chuqin win the World Championships twice in a row. Wang Chuqin and Sun Yingsha defend their title. The Doha Worlds marked their wish to win a 3rd straight title, though they knew it was difficult. Mixed doubles is the toughest event because it's full of uncertainty. But I feel that we faced this tournament head-on, regardless of training amount. We still managed to perform. And trust on-court communication has truly gotten better each match. Sun Yingsha and Wang Chuqin faced a tough match against a Japanese pair they never met before, Matsushima Haruki and Haramoto Maiwa. After losing the first game, they came back to win 3-1. There was some pressure, and actually in the quarterfinals, we were the only Chinese pair left, so we had to give it our all. It was a moment to fight for our country. Sun Yingsha and Wang Chuqin were Yoshimura Maharu and Odo Satsuki from Japan. They eliminated the Olympic silver medalists from North Korea and World No. 1 Lin Shidong and Chin Man. Japan took 4 straight points from 7-7 and won the game 1-1-7. It was a tough battle, but I believe that when I passed the ball to Wang Chuqin, he trusted me back. I think with that trust, we hold the game just together. Slowly, we were able to win. Wang Chuqin and Sun Yingsha won their 3rd consecutive title. Mixed doubles is quite interesting because the rotation is quite unique, and in every round, there's always one rotation that needs control or requires adjustment. With 4 players on court, 1 man, every rotation is different. I think it's a very layered kind of match. It's not like singles where you're alone. When you hit the ball, you more or less know where it is. You know yourself well, but in mixed or doubles, when you play one shot, you're often thinking more for your partner. Now women's doubles has also become a major event. Have you thought about in Los Angeles? Maybe the 2 of you could play women's doubles again. A lot can happen in these 3 years. Or maybe you want to strive for something. Right now in my heart, I haven't really thought that far yet. Honestly, I just want to focus on the tournaments in front of me, because Los Angeles is still a bit far away, I think. Now it's more about the World Championships. What's your goal for this World Championship? Right now on the court, I'm at the best age. In terms of thinking, and in understanding the game, I feel I'm improving step by step, as long as I give my all. I can accept whatever result. I just want to enjoy the present. In January 2017, 16-year-old son Yingsha was promoted from the national second team to the first team. 5 months later, at the Japan Open, she represented China for the first time and won the women's doubles title with Chen Xingtong. Then in singles, she defeated Chen Meng. It was my first time playing so many top players. They didn't know me, didn't pay attention to me. But it was a good start for me, though in future matches. In the next China Open, Sun Yingsha started from the qualifiers and defeated Liu Xiwen for 2-0 in the semifinals. Although she didn't beat the Grand Slam champion Ding Ning in the final, in those two tournaments, catapulted her world ranking straight into the top 10. And from there, her rapid rise began. My goal has always been to become someone like Sister Ning. Really outstanding. 5 years after joining the national first team, in January 2022, Sun Yingsha became world #1 for the first time. After a brief break, she returned to the top in July 2022. A long-term world #1, a new cycle. Where does your inner drive come from? Of course, it's for my own dream, or rather, for the kind of person I want to become. Now, even in my daily life, my every move and state, my expressions or what I say, I think all of it affects those who take me as a role model, the younger athletes, or even little kids. I hope I can continue to bring strength to them. What kind of spirit do they see in you? The courage to chase their dreams. On the path, setbacks are inevitable. Even if you failed many times, I think all of that is a necessary path to the dream you want to reach. I hope they can see the spirit I convey, and when facing hardship, actually, facing hardship will make you stronger. Keep a positive and energetic attitude, and I believe you will achieve your dream. Even if you don't succeed, there would be no regrets in life, as long as you chase your dreams at the right age and do your very best. So I also apply this to myself. Even if I didn't achieve everything, I'm still just me. At least in these 20+ years of table tennis, I did my best. In 2019, Budapest, 19-year-old Sun Yingsha. She not only won the youth showdown against China's biggest rival, Ito Mima, but also in women's doubles, partnered with Wang Manyu to win her first world championship title. At her first Olympic Games appearance, she defeated China's strongest rival twice. But in the singles final against teammate Chen Meng, she didn't reach the top of the podium. A more mature and stable Sun Yingsha defeated Chen Meng in Durban, winning her first World Championship singles title. At the 2024 Macau World Cup, in the final, Sun Yingsha won her first World Cup singles champion. Just one step away from realizing the dream. The singles gold at the Paris Olympics. Setbacks, failures, and success. I feel like I've also had success. I've been happy too. I've cried too, emotions, ups and downs. So in my professional career, maybe the Olympics is the only thing missing. If you care too much about it, just like you said, as a pressure on my shoulders, I might drop down quickly, only when I let go. Even in the Los Angeles Olympics, I still feel like I will be.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.